Hello and welcome to Growing Your Credit Repair Business Training. In this video, we're going to go through understanding outsourcing. Let's start with understanding what outsourcing really is and why it's so important for potentially growing your business. Outsourcing means hiring external suppliers, often from other countries, to handle specific tasks. This could include anything from virtual assistants to specialized service providers. The primary goal of outsourcing is often to create more time for you to focus on growth activities within your business. By delegating routine or specialized tasks to others, you create more room to work on expanding your client base or refining your services. You may find it helpful to consider outsourcing even in the early stages of setting up your business. For example, hiring a webmaster to create it for you can be an ideal initial outsourcing task. Starting early can help ensure that you're not bogged down by tasks that others can do, giving you a jump start on building a solid foundation for growth. Now let's talk about some key areas in your business that are ideal for outsourcing. First is marketing, which includes activities like email campaigns, content creation, and digital marketing automation. If you don't have expertise in these areas, outsourcing can help make these campaigns more professional and targeted, potentially enhancing their effectiveness. Another important area is website design. If you're not skilled in web design, outsourcing this can create a professional-looking online presence. Your website often shapes clients' first impressions, so quality design can be beneficial. Finally, advertising is another area you may consider outsourcing. Running ads effectively requires knowledge of targeting and ad management, so hiring someone skilled in advertising may help your campaigns reach the right audience and free up your time for other tasks. So where do you find these talented freelancers? Fortunately, there are several platforms that make finding reliable help easier. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer offer a wide selection of skilled professionals, including virtual assistants and freelancers with experience in specific areas like marketing, design, and more. These platforms allow you to browse through profiles, review past client feedback, and select candidates who have skills and experience that best match your needs. When looking for the right freelancer, you want to focus on relevant experience and positive reviews. This can help ensure that you're hiring someone who's dependable and proficient in a task you need completed. So remember, hiring the right freelancer may enhance your efficiency and ease your workload, allowing you to focus more on growing your business. Lastly, let's cover the main benefits of outsourcing. First and foremost, outsourcing may offer cost-saving benefits over full-time hires, providing more support as your business needs grow. Instead of spending hours trying to handle every task yourself, you can hire experts who can complete these tasks more efficiently. This can be more cost-effective than hiring full-time employees and help you keep your business running smoothly. Outsourcing also supports business growth by helping you meet deadlines and maintain high standards without overwhelming yourself. With essential tasks taken care of by professionals, you'll have more bandwidth to focus on expansion and scaling up. Finally, outsourcing offers flexibility. As your business grows, you can scale your outsourced operations accordingly without committing to long-term contracts. This allows you to adjust your support based on your current needs, making it easier to handle busy periods or tackle larger projects. Outsourcing provides a flexible support system that can enhance business operations and growth, though the benefits may vary on your specific needs and objectives. So just remember, the effectiveness of outsourcing depends on individual business needs and may vary based on specific goals and operational requirements.